support, yeah. The support with the outside. That's follow. Look at me for a second. When you went like that, you gave up the outside.
Okay.
Close them both. Even I love when they're little jiggle. Close. Elbows in. Tighten. They tighten, but use your leg. Tighten the body. Yep. Yep. Keep weight on it. Just right there. Keep using it. Keep using it. Weight on it. Leg, 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 leg. Elbows in. Close his hand. Just wait. See, but you stop. You can't give up either. You want it to work, then keep using your legs. Till she gives. There it is. This is a horse that's coming to start to listen to your leg. Close your leg again and hand, use it. She's going to figure it out. Wow. My mom kicks my ass when my head comes up. Oh, look, when I start to close down, she lights it up. Everything gets nice. You all happy. Yeah, look at that. And it's coming from you, and like, you have better control. Like I said, this side is definitely stiffer for her.